Hello, my name is Auni Hidayah binti Wahyudi Hidayat. My student ID is 2024691114 and I am from group CDCS 11040. So today I would like to present CSC264 individual video presentation for MIT Pioneer project. My project is Smart Pet Feeder. So the background of my project is the Smart Pet Feeder mobile application is designed to help pet owners manage their pet information and feeding schedules in a simple and efficient way. The application provides a user-friendly interface where users can register, log in, and manage pet records using CRUD, which is create, read, update, and delete operations. It also includes feeding schedules and feeding history features to help users organize their pet care activities. This application also is developed using MIT App Inventor, PHP, MySQL, and TinyBee, providing both online database storage and local data persistence. So, as we know, many pet owners experience difficulties in managing their pets' information and feeding schedules manually. These traditional methods, such as written notes or memory, can lead to forgotten feeding times and unorganized pet record. In addition, existing applications may provide limited pet management features or require complicated interface. Therefore, there is a need for a simple and user-friendly mobile application that allows users to manage pet information, feeding schedules, and feeding history efficiently. The objective of this project are to develop a mobile application that allows users to register and log in securely, to implement CRUD functionality for managing pet information, to provide a feeding schedule feature for organizing pet feeding times, to record and display feeding history using local storage, TinyBee, also to provide a simple, user-friendly, and responsive interface for a better user experience.
Okay, now I will explain the application demonstration. First, we are at login form and the user has to enter their personal details such as their email and also password. But if the user doesn't register or doesn't have an account yet, when they click the login button, it will display an error message. So they have to create their account. So when they click the create account button, it will display the register form. So they have to enter their personal details such as name, email, and also password. When they click the register, it will display a successful. Then they also have to log in again to go to the home form. Okay, now we are at home form. Then if the user want to schedule their the pet feed schedule, they have to click the pet feed schedule and enter the details. And it will be stored in the feed history. So if they want to add pet, just click the add pet button and enter personal details such as pet name, cat or dog, and also pet age. Then click the save pet button. So in this video, I enter 3 kind of pet. Okay, now all of those pet data will be stored in the database, and also it can be displayed in the list view. Okay, when they click the view pets button, we can see all of the data of the pets, and the user also can update their pet data, such as we click the Coco and just click the edit pet button and enter the updated pet details and click the update pet. And if the user want to delete the pet details, just select the pet and also click delete pet button.